Hi, I'm Theo Heselmans. I'm from Belgium and I've been working with Notes and Domino software for a long time. So ever since HCL bought it, I love the fact that they spend so much energy and so much effort into making the product better. And that is really important because that gives me the opportunity to make my customers happy. I got a lot of customers been using Notes for a long time. I got applications I wrote 25 years ago and customers are still extremely happy with their product. I've been running a Notes user group event for the past 15 years. Only this year I stopped doing it because it was starting to get a little bit heavy and a lot of work organizing it, but I've been doing it for 15 years, so I know a lot of people working with it, users that bring users together with business partners, with HCL, and it has been a great ride so far.